Hi and Merry Christmas. Just want to do a quick video on NIO. So this stock has been getting beat down day after day, and we finally saw it close up at 30.52. It was up 2% finally. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Also, if you are bullish or holding on to NIO, give me a thumbs up. I am trying to reach my goal of making $1 a day on YouTube. It's been a difficult year for most people that are holding Chinese stocks. So let's just help each other out. Take a look at this 2-year daily chart. We can see that earlier this year, it ran from $35 all the way to $66.99. I thought it was going to run up prior to NIO Day like it did in January. It did not. Instead, it actually dropped, hitting a low of, this was December 20th, hit a low of $27.79. So right now we are trading in this range of 28 and 30. Let's see if we can stay above 30 so we can try to break this resistance of 35. Came out December 26th. It's titled NIO Crossed Today the 750 battery stations. NIO announced the launching of 3 new battery swap stations in China, bringing to a total up to 751. The company revealed during the last NIO Day on December 18th that their goal is to achieve 1,300 stations by the end of next year. After achieving the 2021 goal of 700 battery swap stations 3 weeks before year end, NIO is in a good pace to reach this new goal by the end of 2020. So there was some good news the other day. It says NIO close to striking a deal with Warren Buffett-backed BYD for mass market brand EV. This would be a huge news for NIO investors.
There's an article that came out today and it's titled NIO says recent job postings in U.S. normal practices. So a lot of people assume that NIO is coming to the U.S. and that is still a possibility. NIO says it has had a software development team in San Jose since its inception, and that the recent job postings are normal hiring practices. NIO's latest job postings in the U.S. for positions related to its replenishment facility infrastructure program have raised many expectations that the company is preparing to enter the U.S. market. Now, the company has responded to this. We have had a software development team in San Jose since the inception of our company, and the recent job postings are normal hiring practices. NIO has previously been hiring for software development related positions in San Jose, but on Thursday the company posted 3 positions on LinkedIn related to its local infrastructure plans, the first of their kind. NIO's goal is to serve users in more than 25 countries and regions worldwide by 2025. Lee did not announce at the time which of these 25 countries would be included, though local media later reported that it would include core automotive markets, including the United States, Western Europe, Australia. Judging from its current efforts to enter the Norwegian market, NIO appears to be sticking with the same strategy it used in China, which is to offer its suite of services to local customers.
I believe that we can hit 100, but first we need to break above 30, stay above 30, and then break above this $35 resistance. NIO is a long-term investment. This is not your get-rich-quick turnaround investment. This is a long-term hold. People have been holding on to Tesla for 10 years. That's how long we have to hold NIO. So NIO's ET7 sedan is going to start selling in Germany in late 2022. According to a report from CNEV Post out of China, NIO has officially announced plans to expand to the auto market in Germany alongside the European debut of its ET7 sedan. The ET7 will mark NIO's first EV model to be sold in Germany, joining NIO's ES8 SUV, which will begin deliveries in Norway this month. The automaker has shared plans to export the ET7 to Norway in 2022 as well, although German customers will not see the ES8 for sale, or at least not yet. NIO confirmed that if there is significant demand for ET7 throughout Europe, it is open to the possibility of establishing local production facilities and would even consider collaborating with local OEMs via joint production. The CEO, William Lee, spoke to the Germany announcement. Entering Germany is the objective that we're striving for. Interest is very high with many requests from potential users. Our target is to have ET7 in Germany by the end of 2022. This is really big news. They are growing so much, so fast. And I know that the price is not reflecting all this growth right now, but all we can do is just stay patient and dollar cost average. Buy leaps, 2024 leaps. I would highly suggest staying away from short-term call options because they will lose value very quickly if the stock doesn't move or it goes down. Look how beautiful this car is, the ET7. I want to show you guys a strategy if you are bullish on NIO. So the first one is going to be selling cash secure puts. If you are planning to buy 100 shares of NIO, what you can do is sell a put, receive that premium, and either use that money to buy more shares of NIO or use that money to treat yourself to a nice meal. So what we're going to do is take a look at the January 21, 2022 expiration dates. We're going to go to the 30 strike, and it's going to be $190 that you're going to receive if you sell a 30 strike put. This might not seem like a lot of money, but $190 you can buy 6 shares of NIO at the current price, or you can take your wife or your husband to a nice steakhouse. So that's one strategy. Another one would be called a call debit spread. So I like using call debit spreads now, and I actually have one open for June 17, 2022. So we're going to take a look at what I have. I am buying the 40 strike and I am selling the 50 strike. The cost for this call debit spread is $120. So we're going to buy one spread, pay $120, and our max profit is $880. So we're risking a very small amount to make almost 7 to 8 times of what we put in. So that is another strategy that you guys can implement. Another bullish strategy is called the put credit spread. So we're going to go back to January 21, 2022. If you don't have enough collateral to open up a cash secure put, what you can do is open up a put credit spread. So we're going to sell the 30 strike, and then we're going to buy the 27 strike. Look, you're almost getting the same amount of premium if you were to sell the 30 strike put. But instead of using $3,000 as collateral, you're only going to put up the difference between the strike price. All you have to put up is $300. You make $100, so you get $100, and your max loss now is $199. So this is a good strategy if you believe the stock will be higher than your short put. Let me know if you guys think we can reach $50 in 6 months, and hope to see you guys in the Discord. I have a Discord Patreon that I'm trying to grow, and I'm trying to find like-minded people to share ideas and make money together.